You laughing at me?
I am not. I apologize. I'm not.
Because
So I use music as a place to kind of keep me balanced. You know,
Observe is no two atypicals.
I am not laughing. I can assure you.
you don't have to.
Impulsivity and intuition are off the
People say I have a cute nose.
Psychological threshold is where you can play me.
an intuitive decision is made. With
On the Dr. Phil show, you give a story about you sniffing cocaine.
30 years. I juice every day. Every day I juice.
Sort of
all the freaking caps.
My views a bit to the theta or the show, which is the called reality. To
I wish you would.
Kind of create a little equilibrium.
for or the beta to the.
Just feel like
Do the fourth.
I have five suede.
I heard that you are also.
I feel you.
The same underwear from 3 weeks ago. Well, they just can't do anything.
Let me ask the question.
A psychological approach.
5 irony. You remember you have idealism or animism, implement a